Welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Today we're building gingerbread houses, and by we, I mean me and Jason. We're gonna see who can build the best gingerbread house. What are the rules? So
1 hour.
1 hour.
And you're gonna have to tell us in the comments who did better, who wins. We're gonna open at the same time and we're just gonna go at it. And most complete, you know what? Doesn't matter. Y'all are gonna tell us who wins anyway.
What's your favorite part of Christmas?
This movie is based.
What's your favorite Christmas song?
Definitely not Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas.
Gotcha. I understand that one.
But if I have to make a choice, Santa Baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You got the misogyny day, too. My favorite Christmas movie is A White Christmas. Favorite song?
Hold on, White Christmas, is that the one where the dude wants to kill himself?
No.
I'll say it's kind of dark.
Every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings. What's the name of the movie?
Let us know in the comments below.
No.
See, that's YouTuber for I don't have a clue.
A White Christmas is where they sing, what do you do with a general when a general retires? What do you do with a general when he stops being a general? What do you do when a general retires?
I don't think I've ever seen it.
How is that possible?
And the second best movie is Heat Miser.
That's not the name of it.
I don't know what the name of it is. All I know is it has a Heat Miser in it.
You don't know the movie.
And the Heat Miser rocks.
Why is Heat Miser better than anybody else?
Than Frosty? Because he's a Heat Miser. I mean, with a name like that, you gotta like it.
Why are you trying to fall off now? I held you in place. I was patient with you. We learned something new about my camera tonight. We learned that it only records at 30-minute intervals and it stops after 30 minutes. So I'm missing some footage of us decorating the houses, but you do get to see us putting them together, and now you get to see the finished product. So look at them.
This is Jason's house.
Hey Jason, you want to give us a tour of your crib? You don't like that joke? Come on.
Mine's the one that the big bad wolf didn't blow down.
Yeah, man. Look how cute that was on the precipice of being so cute. So cute. And then we turn.
You made a diorama. That's all it is.
A diorama.
It's a ginger diorama.
Yeah. I could not get this roof to stay on. I chose badly. Oh. But there we go, guys. So it was fun.
It was cheesy.
It was cheesy. It was a good time. Vlogmas Day 7. That's alright. That's alright. Next year.
You're gonna practice, aren't you?
Maybe.
My first time ever making a gingerbread house. How many times have you done this?
I've done it many a times.
Oof.
I know.
Can't tell.
Can you believe him?
I'm sleeping on the couch.
No, you're not. Alright, guys. Thanks for following along. See you tomorrow.